Hey guys, what is up? Welcome to the State of Crypto, your one-stop source for all crypto-related news and technicals. I'm your host Martin, and this is episode 374, Technical Analysis Crypto Edition Weekend Only, right? Did I go live with a different title? Yeah, I think I went live with a different title, but now we just corrected it. Anyways, thank you all for being here. Again, yeah, thank you for being here on an awesome Saturday night. Hey Andrew, how's it going, man? If you're catching this from live, welcome, and if you're catching the replay and have any suggestions for us, please leave us a comment below. We really want to know what you're thinking. Also, if you want to be up to date with the latest crypto-related news, make sure to subscribe, hit that like button and that bell so you're notified when we go live. And if you want to keep on chatting with us, once the stream is done, you can join us on the Discord. The link's in the description, so there's a link to amazing articles that we cover here on this stream. Now, sorry guys, 1 second. Yeah, I think that's a good light. So, what's happening with crypto? Well, it's not a lot, right? It's been a slow day. Also, yeah, Twitter's in the description. Join us on Twitter. Let's get to the screen over here, and let's start talking about crypto, man. By the way, it is weekend, so, you know, cheers, guys. Good beer, man. Nice, cold one. Let's get this show rolling. Andrew, how's it going, man? How's the weekend for you, man? Have you been able to do anything with your positions? So, market cap. We hit this high, right, at the 786, right? Very close to it. Almost hitting that $257 billion mark. We're sitting right now at $350.24 billion. We managed to get pulled back, and that's fine. We knew that was going to be a possibility. We're still sitting bought barely at 60.22 on the RSI, right? We came here, right? And we're still coming here. We were worried about creating divergence, which I don't think we no longer have, right? So let's see, 2.09 and then 2.37. So we no longer have anything here, right? We're going higher, and we're going higher here as well. And with that, we got rid of any kind of divergence. Andrew's stuck in Yuma. Shoot back from a drive again. Awesome, bro. Where do you drive to now? Or where was your last drive to? Anyways, getting that moving up, getting pulled back. Still managing to gain an awesome 1.78% of money flowing in today. Money still flowing in 0.39%, right? Sitting at $350.31 billion market cap. Now, we didn't look at dominance yesterday. Sorry, we did look at dominance. We didn't look at where we left off with the Bitcoin futures, right? And yesterday we closed the futures at 11,110. Now we're sitting right now at 11,300. So we might have a gap up on the opening, and we're probably going to need to move down to close the gap, right? On that note, let's go to Bitcoin. What's happening with Bitcoin dominance? Again, yesterday, a couple days ago, right? Went down, hit that 20, managed to pump yesterday, which was fine. That was what we were expecting. Getting 0.47% of market cap. Today, getting 0.11% of market cap. Sitting at 60.03% of market cap for Bitcoin. Again, I want Bitcoin to lose dominance. It usually does better for the market when Bitcoin loses dominance. Sitting neutral at 55.09 on the RSI. Let's go to Bitcoin. Des Moines, Iowa. Dude, awesome. Look, what was happening yesterday? We were up here, right? Everyone was celebrating. We're getting above 11,453. What do we say? Gotta wait. Gotta wait and confirm. We're pulling back down towards the end of the stream. I told you guys we need to confirm staying above that area. We didn't. We just waited. We rejected higher prices. We rejected 11,400 and change. Now we're pushing back up again today, which is good, right? We want to take this slow. We're flagging. Probably in the 1 hour is going to be upsloping consolidation. It's going to bring bearish divergence. We might get a movement down. We're going to check that out in a second. Right now, going up a little bit, 0.56%. So again, we're still coming in from a high to a higher high. How are we going higher now? We weren't going higher yesterday. So much so that we even drew this line here and said if we get to that line or above that line, if we get to that line, we have weak divergence. And if we get above that line, we no longer have bearish divergence. We're on the clear. So where are we at right now? We're very close to that area, right? Look at this. This was 93.07. We're at 85.49. So very close. So we're still tracking this, right, in the daily. We don't have it on the RSI. Just sitting bought at 63.51. It's all good right now. I don't like the fact that we're rejecting 11,453, right? We haven't tested it in a while. I just don't like the fact that we're rejecting it. Again, it's normal. We're getting to this next level. Now we're trying to decide where we're going to do, right? We're in this 11,453.42 cent area to 11,120.60 area. Where do we want to go? That's what's happening, right? We're trying to decide what's going to happen. Let's go to the 4 hour. Look at that. Impulse up, consolidation, right? Look at targets, right? Resistance, so support. And hit resistance, flag. Run up, hit resistance, flag in a little bit, right? So nothing bearish here. Look at this. High, higher, high, higher, high. More positive every time. Higher on the RSI. Going down, coming down, right? Everything's good, really. Not making any negative momentum. Higher on the RSI, right? Even the previous low. High, higher, high. Positive from the previous high to a higher point. So all things are good for Bitcoin right now on the 4 hour. What could happen here? We're expanding on the Bollinger Bands. We could go all the way to the top and come all the way up here. 11,500, 11,000, yeah, 11,600 almost. We'd come to the 20 also. We'd go all the way to the bottom of the Bollinger Bands. But we do have supports, right? We know we have areas of support. Now, what could happen is we could go for a rally, right? Make a higher high. Then high to a lower high, or positive to less positive. And a high point on the other side to a lower point. Create strong bearish divergence and then move down, right? So we could have another pump still in store for us. Let's wait for Bitcoin to determine. I mean, getting above 11,453 is going to be key. Now, when I say go higher, I mean, we could come all the way up here, that's fine. But also just getting to 11,453, right? It's going to be higher than the previous high. We're going to have a lot less positive momentum. And with that, we're going to be looking at strong bearish divergence building, and then the potential move to the downside. Sitting overbought at 71.52. Let's go to the 1 hour. On the 1 hour, right? This is from the daily, I guess. Did it just come over from another time scale? No, it says it's from here. So, all right, yeah, this was the line that we're testing for resistance, right? That we finally, we rejected a couple times here, and then here also. And finally broke through this area, right? On that move, we managed to move to the next level, which was good. Again, broke up again. And then, you know, right now, consolidating. Not quite upsloping as it would seem, right? We on the daily, it would have seemed like it would have gone upsloping because we were making a new green bar, right? A new positive price action. But right now, we're actually slightly lower. So high, low, positive, less positive. Do we have something? Yeah, dude, we have something from here to here. Look at this, man. Why we're rallying, right? And getting above that 20, which is going to be good. What is this? What is this? If you follow the stream, you know we're creating hidden bullish. Steve S, we'll watch more after busy tonight. Have a good stream. If you could do ADA, that would be cool. Sure, man, we'll do ADA. Thank you, Steve, for being here. Much appreciated for that you dropped by and chatted with us briefly. On that note, let's keep the stream rolling. Again, thank you all for being here and supporting the channel with your presence. If you like what we do, hit that like, the bell, and sub. If you're new to the channel, definitely sub. You're going to like it here. Anyways, what are we doing? Hitting bullish. We're taking that rally, getting above the 20. That's fine. What do we do already? Come down, hit support at the 20. Trying to push back up, which is good, man. Everything's good. Nav, how's it going, man? Haven't seen you in a while, bro. I hope you're doing good, man. Everything's good here on my end. Again, sitting bought at 60.88. Still rallying, right? We don't have anything bearish. We had bearish here. We moved down, found some support, and then took a new bounce. So, you know, we don't know where we supported here. We didn't hit the 20 or anything, which moved slightly down on the divergence, and then we pumped. Now we don't have anything. It's good, man. Bitcoin is golden right now. It's good, man. I mean, we don't have anything divergence. I would suggest that we're going to break down. Right? We've cooled off on the oscillator, which is good, right? On the 4 hour, we're also cooling off a little bit more. Oh, dude, it's taking forever. There we go. Cooling off a little bit. We came to the bot. Right now, we're bot again. But, you know, it's good, man. And then on the daily, I think on the daily, we're still on the bot area, right? At 63.42. So Bitcoin doing good. Let's go to Ethereum. Ethereum at 372 buckaroos and 44 cents, man. Ain't that great? Yes, it is, man. Are we doing something? Yeah, we're finally starting to develop something here on the daily. Yesterday we didn't quite have it because we were not going that high, or we hadn't confirmed going this high on the positive momentum. But now, I'm not sure if we drew this on Ethereum or not. Again, like sometimes TradingView is not saving my charts, so we might have called some stuff. Not sure though. But anyways, creating that hidden bearish potential action to the downside. Just want to see how this is going to play out. Moving down, could see us hit that 364.03. Again, from here to here, we're also going higher. So everything's good here, man. All right, bearish divergence hidden. Let's go to the 4 hour. Sitting neutral at 55.99 on the RSI. Let's go to the 4 hour chart. Right on. So here, we didn't keep on tracking because we just went higher every time, which was good, right? We drew this line yesterday, so I know we didn't delete the stuff, so maybe I didn't call that other stuff yesterday. That's fine, because we hadn't developed it yet. But we took a bounce, hit that, moved down, took a bounce on the divergence. That's great. Took that bounce, got above the next level, which was the $364 area. And then we said, look, we're finding resistance here, and we drew this line because we knew we were hitting a lot of support and resistance from way back when, right? I didn't have that one in, but we knew we were rejecting. We're opening this candle, or starting to open this candle. We might have not even have opened this candle, but we were looking for that rejection. And that, you can see that we're rejecting this area continuously, right? Pushing back down, that's good. Impulse up, down sloping consolidation. We could go for another impulse up. Don't have anything on the MACD or the RSI that's bearish. Sitting bought at 66.71 on that RSI. Let's go to the 1 hour, man. Yonav, how are things going on your end, man? Again, we're trying for bearish divergence. That was yesterday. Live, 9 p.m. candle. Price action to the downside. Started to move down since, right? Hit the 20, tried to find support, failed to pump, broke below. Right now, rejection, man. Look at this. Move up, rejected the 20, starting to move down slightly. Do we have something? Yes, we do, man. Again, just like Bitcoin, right? Again, all crypto might be showing the exact same thing here. High, higher high, and then we're going from negative to more negative, right? And then a high point on the RSI to a lower point on the RSI, right? So on this, we're looking at that. We're looking at the bearish divergence. The hidden bullish divergence. Potential action to the upside. Starting to get the rally. Finding rejection at the 20. What happens when we reject 20? We try to go lower. We have tightness off the Bollinger Band starting to come in. We could be going for a wild move here, right? Look, here we just tightened for one candle and then we exploded. Here we're tightening a little bit. That's fine. That just means volatility is leaving the market and we could be getting a wild move back in. That's it for Ethereum. Let's go check out Bitcoin again real quick and see how it is. And again, Bitcoin's on a channel. We didn't call that, right? Look at that. Tightening on the Bollinger Bands, which is good. We did run to the upside, touched the top part of the Bollinger Bands, rejected, moving down, hitting that 20. Let's see how this is going to play out for Bitcoin. Let's check out XRP. XRP at 25.54 cents. Is it real? Yeah, it's real, man. XRP managed to do a little bit of something. Puny XRP. Right? It's not going up high, man. Right? Look at this on the daily, man. It's just, it would go higher, but then we'll be negating this. We had the bearish divergence, move down on that. That's fine. Found support. Taking a bounce. Sorry, going higher. Higher, more positive momentum and higher on the RSI. Sitting at 57.72 on the RSI, dude. So, on that note, same between this channel, that 26,629 and that 24,629 also, right? On that note, let's go to the 4 hour. Bearish divergence, we're calling it to here, right? From here to here. Moving down, we moved down slightly. We managed to go for under the pump. And then we're pulling back down, right? That's fine. Do we have something bearish there? I doubt it. 62.82, 62.23. Yes, slightly. So we can go from here to here, right? Look at that. Bearish divergence to here, move down. Bearish divergence, moving down still. Do we have it on the RSI? Doubt it. Oh, man, we would, I think. Let's see, where do we close here on the screen? Closing at 25.78.6, and here we're at 25.811, so slightly higher, right? Look at that, coming in higher here. Oh no, XRP, what are you developing, man? Going lower, right? Strong bearish divergence, potential action to the downside. What? Yes. So we have it against the MACD and the RSI here. We just had it against the RSI, right? The bearish divergence, but now we developed it against the MACD as well on a larger time scale. So let's go to the 1 hour chart. The 1 hour neutral at 50.32 on the RSI. Look, we were looking for divergence here. We did manage to pump slightly still. Next couple candles, but we were still just going to there, right? So here we're over 70.18. Here we're at 69.80, so coming in lower. Bearish divergence, action to the downside, move down, hit the 20, took a bounce. What happened on that bounce? Look at this, right? First off, going higher, right? Going higher on a bounce of the 20. Then we move lower here, and also we move lower here, right? So strong bearish divergence against MACD and the RSI. And on that, we're starting to break down. We broke down below 20. Trying to rally, but really not going to that 20 still. Now, am I going to do the same things that I was doing with the other coins? Well, not against the RSI, and not against the MACD, but yes, against the RSI. Look at this, right? On the RSI, we're coming lower. All right, so from a point on the RSI to a lower point on the RSI. Right, as we're going higher, right? So low, higher, low. Creating that hidden bullish divergence. Potential action to the upside. Starting to get that rally happening, right? That's it. That's all that's happening right now for XRP. Now, on that note, I'm going to go check out Litecoin. What is happening with Litecoin, man? We're looking for bearish divergence here, right? We'll do that in the 1 hour in a second, though. Litecoin at $49.15. Higher, right, than here. All right, you can see that we're slightly separated from this area, right? Higher, higher, and then higher. So I'm not going to call anything here on the daily. Just going to say we're neutral at 56.89 on that RSI. Let's go to the 4 hour. Higher, right? Everything was good here. Higher, we're starting to come down. Again, we talked about that happening, right? Potential movement to the downside, maybe hitting that 20. It's fine. Start sitting bought at 61.18. Nothing happening on the 1 hour. Let's go to, sorry, in the 4 hour. Let's go to the 1 hour. In the 1 hour, we're looking for divergence to here. We managed to pump more, so we kind of negated that, right? So we no longer have that bearish divergence that we were looking for. And I think the key is going to be here. What is this high? Sorry, the closing here. 49.93, 49.94. Slightly higher, right? If you don't want to say we're going slightly higher, we could just say we're going sideways, because it's just 1 cent, but you're still coming down here lower. And that move, we're creating that that medium bearish divergence, potential action to the downside. We're also just making that, if you want to believe that we're technically 1 cent higher, you want to say we're going higher and lower, then we're creating strong bearish divergence. For me, it's just all the same, right? It's still bearish divergence. We're going to move down on that, and we're moving down, right? Moved down, broke below 20. What happened? We tried to regain it, lost it, rejected it, moved lower. Now we're trying to get there again, rejecting, and starting to move lower still. Now, are we doing something? Yeah, I think here we could call something similar to what we had with Bitcoin and the rest, right? So low to high. Let's go from these on the 1 hour, yes. Then negative to more negative, right? And then a point on the RSI to a lower point on the RSI. On that note, we are creating that hidden bullish divergence. That's what we're getting this rally. Now we're rejecting the 20. Gotta wait and see how things are gonna play out for this. So, if you guys like what we do, you know what to do. Hit that like, that button, that sub, right? We're live every night, bringing you crypto fun analysis. Oh, dude, you know what I haven't done in a while? A long time. Shotgun a beer, man. Yeah. Anyways, Binance at $28.15. What happened, dude? Remember how we're breaking up away from this area? We said, look, looks like we're gonna break out of this triangle. We didn't. We came back down, spinning top. Right now, moving down, still within the structure, man. That's so insane, right? It was so out of this already, dude. It was almost at $30. It did get a high of $29.95, and then it rejected and started to come back down. Again, high to low, everything's good here. Nothing happening here. Neutral 55.71 on the RSI. Let's go to the 4 hour. We're looking for bearish divergence. We were here, right? And we didn't. We managed to pull back down a little bit. We're still going higher. So we did end up creating bearish divergence against the MACD. I'm hidden bearish. I'm looking at the RSI, 65.06 and 64.50, so less. Again, going higher, coming lower. Right, sorry, going lower here, and then more positive momentum, right? So on that note, we're creating that hidden bearish action downside. We move down, hit that 20, trying to find support again. If we manage to find support here, we could try to pump. If we fail at support here, lower areas, right? Lower areas of value. On that note, sitting at 50.20 on the RSI. Let's go to the 1 hour. On the 1 hour chart, going higher, coming lower, bearish divergence, right? We knew we were going to get that. On that move, we're moving down below that 20, trying to fight with it, rejecting it, and again, failing to get above the 20. Now, are we doing something here? Yes, from here to here. Unlike the other coins, this actually has strong bullish divergence against the MACD. It's right. Low, lower, low, negative, less negative, right? And from here to here, we're definitely going lower, and then more negative momentum and lower on the other side. So we don't have that hidden bullish that other cryptos were making. This has short-term strong bearish divergence, Lant, strong bearish divergence. So let's go and check out DBT. By the way, tomorrow is a DBT Crypto Yawn in Philly with Ken Bosak. So if you guys are going to be there, if you're from Philly, you want to go there, DBT is sponsoring that event, which is pretty cool. Now, what happened with DBT? Oh, snap. Remember this pump? And then look, we're trying to get higher areas of value. Look at this. This was just a 39% pump on DBT, right? You could have bought in at 41. You even if you wouldn't have sold at 57, sell at 55, 56, right? It's still a very nice gain intraday trading, right? So there are coins where you can make money on crypto in the day-to-day trading. You just gotta like catch coins like this ones that are low market cap, low value coins. It's like 4.2 sats, like 4 sats is almost nothing. With $100, you can get a sizable position. You can trade and practice trading and you know, playing these crypto moves, right? Anyways, what is happening here? Let's get the MACD and the RSI out here. So high to low, positive is positive, high and RSI to lower point, right? Nothing bearish. At least not in the 1 hour. We're doing something bullish. We are. From back here, right? Oh, not to there though. To here we're making bullish divergence, right? So we managed to rally. Right. Nothing on the RSI. Again, it's all that we have here. We had that bullish divergence, are trying to rally, still trying to hold on to this area at 4.2 sats. Let's go to the 4 hour. Again, not a lot happening with DBT right now. Oh, I went to the 2 hour. No, let's go to the 4 hour. There we go. Right on. So what's happening here? Going higher, higher. Everything was good here, right? Nothing bad. Low, high, positive, negative, less negative, low on the RSI to hard point, neutral. Nothing happening here. Neutral at 49.60 on the RSI. Let's go to the daily. On the daily, remember we talked about this, right? We talked about this divergence from here to here, right? And then from here to here, right? Also within the same island. So I'm going to take it in 2 parts from here to here. We don't have it against the RSI. We did have it, I think, from this was 29.65 and this became 30. So yeah, strong bullish divergence, right? We're getting that rally. Let's see if we can get continuation happening, and that get DBT to go much higher, which is gonna be cool, man. Again, this is a good project, man. We had a meeting today. I'm becoming part of their marketing DAO, which is cool. Again, I'm talking about the project, but I'm not pushing the project onto you, right? I'm talking about it because I have a stake on this project. And I bought a sizable chunk of the project, so that's pretty interesting. On that note, let's go to something else. Let's go check out Cardano. Trying to find Cardano. Here we go, man. Cardano on the daily. What is happening with Cardano? Going higher, right? hit this area, reject it, right? We talked about that. The point 382, right? We have still strong bearish divergence developing on the daily. We don't have it against the RSI, sitting neutral, 59.94. Let's go to the 4 hour. And the 4 hour Cardano. Low, higher low, right? Even here, low, higher low, right? So we didn't have anything bullish. We haven't developed anything bearish either. Look at that, going higher, higher, and then higher here. So all things are good. Just sitting bought at 67.12. And these movements just could be because the rest of crypto is just moving similarly to Cardano. So let's go to the 4 hour. Sorry, the 1 hour. On the 1 hour, we're looking for this movement to the downside. I'm not sure if we had it here in the end. We were calling it to here. We said, look, it's still developing, right? We cannot confirm it. It's 9 p.m. here. It's 10 p.m. We managed to go slightly higher. So now we're going to check what happened here. Let's see. 53138 61. So we did become much higher here as we're going slightly higher here as well, right? So we'll get rid of this one here. Now we're going to confirm against the MACD here. 79.24 and then 80, right? So we also became slightly higher. So we didn't create anything bearish there. We just kept on climbing, which is fine, right? Again, from here to here, we did create something bearish, right? Bearish divergence, price action to the downside. Now, let's see, it's on the 1 hour, yeah, even against the RSI, look at this point. Now, shorter time scales, right? From here to here. From here to here, and then here to here still, right? Strong bearish divergence. On that move, we moved down. We had a line here. I believe that was 100% retrace that we had, right, from low to high. So on these fibs that we had, we're making a new higher high, right? So that's pretty good. We did pull back down, managed to find resistance here again at this 100%, which is 10.64, right? This coin is right now sitting at 10.64. Not 100%. Let's see, it's 10.67. So we're very, very close to that area. Again, we have the same hidden bullish divergence that everyone else had, and it's helping us to pump a little bit, but still not getting above the 100%. That's it for ADA, man. If you guys have any requests, let me know, because we only had one request tonight. I didn't see anything on the Discord. Oh, those are pre-stream requests. Shit, dude. Andrew wanted Uma. Sorry, Andrew, I didn't see a pre-stream request, dude. I think you just posted it right as I was setting up the stream. I'll do Yuma, dude, for sure. On the Yuma coin. Right, moving down, finding support at the 20 on the daily. That's good. Though we don't have any chart here, so but that's good, right? You had a good move yesterday, 52%. At some point in time, it was higher. We had this line here at 10.42. When you were rejecting it, we were live here. We're rejecting it once, we're rejecting it twice, right? So we knew it was a chance we were not going to go higher. We did manage to go slightly higher, right? $10.14. I can't remember what was your out here. If it was 10.50 or something. But we did wake a high of 10.28. So, you know, I'm not sure if you got your out on Yuma. But here are short times, right? Shorter time scale from here to here. Higher. On this 4 hour, right? And then we go from here to here. And from here to lower also, right? Again, bearish divergence, action downside, we're moving down. Breaking below that 236, I believe. No, yeah, 36, that's what we're breaking below. And we could go to the 20. Remember, that was one of the moves that we called for. We said we could go up. We might go up. We did go up slightly here, right? But we didn't get to your target. I think you had it at 1050, I guess. Pulling back down, right? Breaking below that area. Could come back here to this area here. Which would be at 7.97, right? Yuma right now is sitting at $8.79. Neutral at 58.18 on the RSI. Let's go to the 1 hour. Went higher. Bearish divergence. We had it here. We started to pull back down, right? Then we started to continuously reject this area. Look at this, right? 1, 2 rejections, right? This was 9 p.m. when we were live. We talked about going slightly higher, maybe. I said you could get your area. I'm not sure. And we did pump a little bit. We didn't get to your area, but you know, we did go higher. So high, low, positive, high, and there's like to lower point. We didn't create anything bearish. We started to break down, right? That's not necessarily good. Now let's look here. We're starting to create some strong bullish divergence, and that would be okay actually. This might get us to pump a little bit. Now we are starting to create it, like I said, right? From here to here, from here to here. We don't have it against the RSI, but just against the MACD. And from back here, look at that, right? From here to there, right? We're going from here to here, right? And then creating that hidden bullish. So we have hidden bullish, we have strong bullish. We could try to go on a rally, maybe get above that area, the 382. Sorry, not 382. The 236 at $9.09. So that's gonna be it for you, my dude. I'm not sure if Jake's here with us. I know he has his daughter on the weekends, but you can sell at 1036. Oh, dude, I'm not sure we're gonna get that high again. You need to get above the 236 first, and then maybe go for that test of 10, dude. But anyways, on that note, I'm gonna check out Link real quick, because I know Jake exited part of his position yesterday. He was doing really good on Link, so. Link on the daily. We're talking about this area getting above the 50% retrace, right? We got pulled back. That was fine. Now, where are we going here? High to low. Right. High to low. Down the daily, and then we're going from a low point to a higher point, right? Creating bearish divergence, hidden bearish divergence. Potential action to the downside. We might go down and hit that 20. The 20 being at 9.70 cents. Again, Link sitting at $10.38. Remember when we said get out here? It would have been a good out, right? Andrew, you called hitting 20 and then doing a reversal, if I'm not mistaken. And that was way back here on August. You said, dude, we're gonna hit 20 and then we're gonna call, like, pull back, right? This was a beautiful hit. Look at that, right? Look at the high. We just hit 20 and then did a U-turn and started to come back down since. All this time I've been saying don't get into it. We're still gonna get lower, right? It's in this area. It's not too bad, right? We're floating between that 0.5 and that 618, being from $10.75 to $8.56. I'm okay with that. That's a good range. Sitting neutral at 51.16 on the other side. Let's go to the 4-hour. We're looking for bearish divergence here. We moved down slightly. It was hitting bearish. Went down slightly. Went on a pump. Hit this area. Consistently rejected, right? 3 times. Managed to get above it at when we were live. And since we've just been going downhill, so breaking below that area slightly. So you can say we're kind of flagging, although we're already undoing the pump, right? Or part of the pump. So not necessarily the best looking. So everything here is going higher, right? More positive and higher on the RSI. Here we come, coming down, right? Sitting bought at 60.66. Let's go to the 1 hour. We're calling for the bearish divergence. Look at this, 9 p.m., right? Bearish divergence is the highest point we've made. Well, I'd be lying. 10 p.m. might have been slightly higher, but you know, still have that bearish divergence there, there, and there. That move, we're starting to move down. Look at that, final support here. Even hit it spot on here at the 236. Then we're starting to take a bounce, right? We failed to go higher and you know, rejected on that. So where are we at here? Are we doing something? Let's see. 5509 and then 51. So yeah, we're technically going slightly lower here, right? So we're going lower on the price, but on the MACD, right, look at this from here to here. So high to low, right? On the RSI we don't have anything. Even from back here to there, right? Look at this, from here to here. Right. It would be the same move from here to here. Right. Again, we could have called that to there, right? But we can go in here. We had the hidden bullish, pump, rejected, move down. Now we just anchor there, and again, all this is one line. Even here, short term again, strong bullish. Sorry, strong bullish on the short time scale, and then hidden bullish against the larger time scale. That's what we're doing our U-turn. But really failing to get above this area. Look how we know we're failing. Look, we just rejected it here. We're about to reject it again. Sitting neutral at 45.61. Jake, I hope you got out of your position yesterday at 10.77 completely. And then you could still get back in today and save some cents. Or you know, whenever. On that note, Andrew, I know you usually ask for Yiffy and Uni, so I'll just do those as well. Why not, right? We'll do Uni first, I guess. We don't have anything on the daily Uni, so let's go to the 4 hour. The 4 hour, we're calling for bearish divergence to here, which was okay. No problems with that. Again, we could have just anchored there, finished anchoring to there, and then finished anchoring to there. Hidden bearish. Price action to downside. Now, what do we happen here? We're going to there, and we're starting to come lower here, right? And here we managed to go slightly higher on the other side. That's fine. Creates strong bearish divergence. Action to downside. We hit spot on. Look at this front support there, right at the 618, right? Spot on. And since we started to reject that area, hitting that 20 and starting to break below the 20, which is not good. Neutral at 48.14 on the other side. Let's see if we manage to close above the 20. Trying to find support and pump on it. Otherwise, if we break below 20, we're going to test it as resistance. And if we break below that area, we'll see where we're going to go. On that note, I'm going to go check out... What else are we checking out, dude? The 1 hour. By the way, if you have any requests, let me know, and we'll cover them live, right? So any coin, any stock, any whatever. So long as I can chart it, we'll cover it. Yeah, so... By the way, if you like what we do, hit that like button and sub. And if you're new to the channel, definitely sub, dude. It's a good channel. Let's go to the 1 hour. Oh, this is from the 4 hour. I forgot the anchor. I have to go to the 4 hour again to re-anchor everything. Otherwise, it's going to become a mess in stream, dude. I think it was just those two lines. Yeah. Let's go to the 1 hour. On the 1 hour chart, what's happening? We were coming higher, right? Look, we were live. I'm not sure when we were live last night. Dude, we might have not done Uni yesterday, I guess. Or I can't remember. I'm gonna have to check what we did yesterday. Yeah, we didn't do Uni. We did Link, Yiffy, Yuma, TLG, T88, ETN, and NIM. So that's why we didn't have this chart in here. Bearish divergence, right? Look at that. Action downside. Move down, try to find support near this area. Go for a new rally, right? You could even say that we're creating a hidden bullish. That's what we're rallying here, and that would be a fair snap. I was forgetting the anchor here. That would be a fair comment to make, because we are making that. Right to here. This would be 219, and this would be 264, right? So more, and then also lower here. So we're in that hidden bullish. Took that rally, which is fine. On the MACD, I don't think we're gonna do anything. 643.772, right? But against the RSI, we are. Look at this, from here now to here. Strong bearish divergence still. On that, we're breaking down. Now, as we're going lower here, so low, higher, low, negative, less negative, so nothing here. Nothing to this area, right? But from here to here, right, against the MACD, we're starting to create strong bullish divergence. Potential action to the upside. We don't have it against the RSI, which is fine. Sitting sold at 39.39. So we can get a pump on Uni. Again, might test up 20 at 3.36 dollars, and we might even try to get above the $3.37 area. Alright, the 618. Now let's go look at the Yiffy. Yiffy sitting at $15,515. Again, rejecting the 618, right? We knew that was going to be a possibility. We actually managed to go down lower and still going lower today. Had the bullish divergence, rejecting this area, coming back down. Sitting sold at 37.62, which is fine. We haven't been able to above the 20 since September 19th, so let's go to the 4 hour. The 4 hour, look, we had bearish divergence here. We moved down slightly, took a bounce, created bearish divergence. And then on that note, everything's been lower, right? High, lower, high, right? Coming lower, 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 starting to come back down. Again, rejecting that $19,560 area, which we called a resistance, right? Yesterday. Start break there, getting at the 20. Trying to find support. Next candle breaking below. Not good. We could come down here, hit that 786. Right here at 786 at $12,740, or even come down here to the $12,149, right? That support over here. Again, start to make negative momentum. Let's see how it's going to build up. Sitting neutral at 40.64 on the RSI. Let's go to the 1 hour candle for Yiffy. On the 1 hour, I think we might be going to a similar height. Let me just check. Close 1986.82, and then here it's 18,900. So 1994, 1986, 1994, $19,094, and this is highest point. Again, no, closing here, $19,086, and here we're closing, or we're opening at $19,094, slightly higher, coming lower here. From here to negative, and then from high to lower high, right? Bearish divergence, strong price action, downside. We're moving down on that. That's why we're moving down. Broke below 20, try to get above it, and then reject it. Since then, we've just been moving lower. Now, the good news, because there are good news for this project right now, is as we're coming lower, we're making less of that negative momentum, right? Creating strong bullish divergence on the 1 hour, but not on the RSI yet, right? On the RSI, we did get to a bought. Right now, just sitting bought at 32.21. Let's see if we can get a bounce, maybe hit that 20 on the 1 hour, sitting at $16,802. Dude, awesome. What do y'all want to do? What do y'all want to look at? Let me know. If no comments come up, I think I want to call it a stream. Thank you for being here, by the way, and joining me tonight for this awesome crypto session. Oh man, what are we gonna do? Where are we gonna go? I'm giving y'all a little bit of time just in case you're behind on the stream so you can request something. We'll discuss it. But again, I want to thank y'all for being here on Saturday and, you know, wanting to look at crypto, wanting to learn something. I hope that you find the content that we provide to be entertaining or educational at best. And, yeah. Thank you guys for being here on this awesome Saturday night. Again, this is State of Crypto. I'm your host, Martin. It's a pleasure being here with you guys tonight on this awesome Saturday night. If you like this channel, please hit that like, that sub. Talk about crypto to your friends, to your family, to your co-workers. Let them know that we are here. This is a good crypto channel for people and for people to get involved with. Now, if they're into crypto, it would be great. If they're old to crypto, or they're like veterans, right? It will be a great addition to the team, and they can discuss other stuff with us, and we can all learn together more stuff, more crypto-related stuff. Isn't that great? Anyways, guys, that's going to be all for tonight. I hope you enjoy your Saturday night. I hope you have a great time. That's going to be it for tonight. I'll catch you again tomorrow for another edition of The State of Crypto. Until then.